Hello everyone, I'm Vladislav Apostoluk. I'm with ABRIS Design Group, a small Ukrainian aerospace company coming from the ultralight aviations to the unmanned aerial system, primarily targeted for the photogrammetry missions. We produce unmanned aerial vehicles capable of carrying different kind of payloads for the photogrammetry missions. We also produce the launching system, catapults, aircraft saving system, and the last but not the least, we also make the mission planning software that completely make the mission planning fully autonomous. This year we came to the INTERGEO with our partnering company EPS that provides us with the highly accurate multi-frequency GPS receiver delivering the reliable PPK and RTK solutions for us. And finally, I'd like to thank you, INTERGEO, for inviting us. This is a great place to be and a great place to meet other people and show what we have.